Fifth main, show that the given question is like this. 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. So whatever that is there in the left hand side of this equal sign, we call this as LHS. And whatever that is there in the right hand side of this one, we call it as RHS. This portion we call this as LHS. This is LHS. So let us take the LHS now. So LHS and simplify. So LHS is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So we have to simplify this one. So look at this. This is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. 3x plus 7 whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square means 3x whole square. 3x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 7. A square plus 2ab plus b square, 7 square. Then minus 84x. So here we use here. So a plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this formula we use here. This. So we are writing that reason in the bracket. So this can be expressed like this, and this minus 84 as it is. Simplify this one. 3x whole square means it is 9x square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42x, 42x, 7 7s are 49, minus 84x. Okay. Then you can write the like terms at one place, like terms together, 84 and 42. So let us write 9x square as it is, 42x as it is. I will bring this minus 84x to the left side. Left means near to 42. So then 49. See, this one we are writing along with that 42. So then it becomes 9x square. So this will become minus 42. Minus 42x plus 49. Again look at this expression. This is again in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us go back once again to this. I will write once again this one 9x square minus 42x plus 49. So this is same 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. 9x square it is 3x square minus 2 into this you can write 2ab. 2 a value is 3x, b value is 7 square 7. Look at this, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b means 3x minus 7 whole square. This is equal to RHS. So we took LHS here, the left hand side I took, and this is RHS. We reached the answer RHS. LHS is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So when you expand using a plus b whole square formula, this will come 3x whole square plus 2 into a into b plus 7 square, b square. This minus 84 as it is. So this is 9x square. When you multiply this 42x, 2 into 3 into 7, and 7 square means 49. And this minus 84x as it is. So 9x square, this 84 and 42. This 42 and 84, they are like terms. So when you bring, you can write nearer and simplify this one. 42 and minus 84 gives you minus 42x, and this last term as it is. So now again I have written here the same expression, 9x square minus 42x plus 49. This you can write 3x square. This you can split as 2ab. So this is a square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So this expression is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this can be written as a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So therefore a place of in place of a you can write 3x, in place of b you can write 7. So it is 3x minus 7 only. This part is equal to 3x minus 7 only. So this is RHS, right hand side. So we took LHS, left hand side we took, and we reached the answer right hand side. So therefore we can say both are equal here. So if we take the LHS here in the question, 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq. So left hand side here this much. So only this portion you will take, apply the formula a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square means a square. This is 9p whole square, a square, minus 2ab, 2 into a value is 9p, b value is 5q. A square minus 2ab plus b square. B square means again 5q whole square plus 180pq. Okay. So now this is 81p square. Simplify this one. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90p. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90p. Plus 5 5s are 25, 25q square. PQ. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90, 90pq, 25q square, then 180pq. Now you can write these two like terms together here. These two. Okay. 81p square minus 90pq plus 180pq, then 25q square. So it gives you 81p square as it is. This one positive. So 90 minus 90 plus 180 gives you plus 90pq plus 25q square. Now again it is in the form of a plus b whole square only. Let us rewrite it once again. So I write once again 81p square plus 90pq plus 25q square. This portion is very important. See, I want to identify this. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? I write this as 9p whole square. And the last one 5q whole square. Okay, first term and last term you can finish first. 81p square can be written as 91p square. Last term 25q square can be written as 5q square. So in the formula you will be having a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the middle term plus 2ab. How to write that 2ab? So it should be in the form of, look at this, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we got this one, a square. We got this b square. From this you identify what is the value of a. A is equal to 9p. B is equal to 5q. Okay. You need to apply here at the middle of this expression now. 2. A value it is 9q. 9p here. 9p into b value it is 5q. So if you multiply, you will get this middle terms. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90. So 90pq. So now this expression is in the form of the formula. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a plus b whole square. So 9p plus 5q the whole square. So this is the right hand side of this given question. So we took the left hand side. And reached the right hand side. So therefore these two are equal here. So this is okay. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2m. We have to show that this is equal to this one. So let us take the LHS. Left hand side of this question is this much only. This is LHS. This portion is LHS. You write down this once again. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n the whole square plus 2mn. So this is the LHS. So that is equal to. Now here you can apply a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula means a square. A square means 4 by 3m whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a value is 4 by 3m into b value 3 by 4n plus b square. That is 3 by 4n whole square. So we simplified this portion only. This is this much only. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab. A value this one, b value this one. 2 into a value, b value is this plus b square. 3 by 4n whole square. Then you write this last at the end plus 2mn. Is it clear to all of you? This portion we simplified using a minus b whole square formula. This one we have written as it is. Now simplify this one. 4 by 3m whole square means 4 4s are 16 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. M into m square. here you can cancel some numbers here. Look at this. 4 and 4 cancels, 3 and 3 cancels. So what will remain here? Here only 2mn will remain, 2mn plus. So here 3 by 4 n whole square means 3 square 9, 4 square 16, n into n square plus 2mn now. Last term. Look at this expression, you can cancel minus 2mn and plus 2mn. So what is left with the answer here now? 16 by 9m square, then plus 9 by 16 n square. This is the only thing we have left here. So therefore this is, look at this is similar to this one. So this is RHS, right hand side. So we took the left hand side and reached the right hand side. So that's the proof. Here the given question contains this 4pq plus 3q whole square and minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. You can take the LHS first separately. LHS left hand side is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square and this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Let us apply separately. So this one, for this one you apply a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square means, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Plus 2a plus b.
What is a square here? A square means 4pq whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a value 4pq into 3q. 4pq into 3q, 2ab plus b square, that is 3q whole square. See, we got this one. So the box, the term expression we are written inside the box expressed like this: a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we have minus. Now you write inside the bracket now. So square bracket you take, inside this bracket you have to expand because we have minus sign here behind it. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So now you apply a minus b whole square to this one. A minus b whole square, you know, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means it is 4pq whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 4pq into b, it is 3q. A square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 3q whole square. So that is the expression we have expanded using formula. So this one is this portion, this one is this one. Now you multiply this minus inside the bracket. So 4pq whole square means it is 16pq p square q square. 16p square q square plus multiply this one. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24pq square. P only one and q into q square. This will become 9q square. 9q square. So now you multiply this minus inside the bracket. Minus into plus minus. This 4pq square becomes 16p square q square. So every sign changes here. Minus into minus, it becomes plus. That's why I told you to write inside the bracket. When you are having a minus sign, you have to write this inside the bracket, then you keep multiplying this one. So minus into plus minus, this you expanded, then minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here 24p q square. Okay, then look at this. Plus, this is minus into plus, it will become minus. Here we have plus sign. You multiply this minus inside, it becomes minus. 3q whole square means it is 9q square. So this is the simplification. Now what you can do, cancel the terms which get cancelled here. Plus 16p square q square and minus 16p square q square cancels. 9q square with 9q square cancels. So you are left with only two terms, plus 24pq square plus 24pq square. So your answer is 48pq square. This is nothing but RHS. So this is the RHS, right hand side of this question. So once again look at this. We took the left hand side here and this is in the form of this one. This one is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. Expand both of them and you multiply this minus inside the bracket. So these terms gets cancelled, so you will get the right hand side. So the given question is a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a. So let us take the LHS here. So LHS, so I will write once again a minus b into a plus b, then plus b minus c into b plus c, then plus c minus a into c plus a. By writing itself you should get the idea what can be done here. So now a minus b into a plus b, this portion you take. This box, whatever that I have written inside the box, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b formula only. Directly you can write a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Use the formula a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Plus, come to the second part of this one. So this is b minus c into b plus c. It is again a minus b into a plus b formula only, but here we have b and c. So you can write this as b square minus c square. And the last part, c minus a into c plus a. So again a minus b into a plus b formula. C square minus a square. See, everywhere we applied a minus b into a plus b. So it is nothing but a square minus a square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So everywhere we applied. Now, cancel a square with a square, b square with b square, c square with c square cancels, you will get answer 0. This is nothing but the right hand side. Right hand side is 0. This is how you can do this one. Yes, look at this question. You have to use the identities to evaluate this one. 71 square should be evaluated using only the formula that you know. A plus b whole square. Yes, which one?
Sir, a plus b whole square. Sir, 71 square we can write it as 70 plus 7 plus 70 plus 1 whole square. 70 plus 1.
Okay. You can write 70 plus 1 whole square also. Okay. So now you can write this as 70 plus 1 whole square. So what happens? 70 plus 1 whole square means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. You write the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So compare this one. In place of a you have to write 70. In place of b you have to write 1. Substitute in the formula 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. 70 it is very easy to multiply. 7 you multiply twice. 7 sevens are 49 and followed by 2 zeros. This one 7 2s are 40. 1 0 plus 1. Now you have to add this. Units place digit 1. Tens place digit is 4. So 100 place digit is 10. Then 1000 place 5. 5041 is the solution. So the given question is 99 square. You can write this as 100 minus 1 whole square. 100 minus 1 is nothing but 99 only. So now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you compare here, in place of a you can write 100, in place of b you can write 1. So comparison, a 100, b 1. So in place of a you write 100. So it is 100 square minus 2 into a value is 100 only, b value is 1. So I am writing 100 in place of a, 1 in place of b. So then b square, again it is 1 square. So 100 into 100 very easy to multiply. Number 100 into 100, only multiplication of 1 into 1 and then followed by 4 zeros. Multiply the number there, 1 into 1, then followed by 4 zeros. Directly you can write. Then here also multiply this digit 2, 1, 2 into 1, it is 2, followed by 2 zeros. Then 1 square means 1. 10,000 minus 200, first you simplify. 10,000 minus 200 means 9,800. Then add 1 to that one. It is 9,801. So So this is the solution. 102 whole square means we can write this as 100 plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you can see in place of a you can write 100, in place of b you can write 2. So therefore 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus b square means it is 2 square. 100 square, it is very easy. 1 followed by 4 zeros. 100 into 100. Then this one 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4. 4 followed by 2 zeros. 2 square, 4. So 10,404. 10,404 is the solution. 5.2 whole square can be written as, we can split this number 5.2 as 5 plus 0.2 whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a means 5, a value 5, b value is 0.2. So 5 square, 2 into a value is 5, b value is 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. Look at this again, 5 square means it is 25. You know 2 5s are 10. 10 into 0.2 it gives you 2 only. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 10 into 0.2 it gives you 2. 0.2 into 0.2 it gives you 0.04. 0.04. So now 25 plus 2 27.04 is the solution. 27.04.